Students, in today's maths class, let us learn lesson number 4, subtraction. Subtraction means we have to minus. Let us take a simple example. Imagine there are 25 beads with you. You gave 5 beads to your friend. How many are left with you? So, you have to subtract 5 from 25. Yes, children? Yes, you are having 25 beads with you. You gave 5 beads to your friend. So, now how many are left with you? For that, you have to count backwards. That is a one method. Yes, children? So, from 25, you have to count backwards. That is 5 numbers you have to come backwards. So, 25, 24, 23, 22, 21, then comes 20. So, your answer is 20. You counted backwards. 5 numbers you counted backwards, that is from 25 to 21. So, the answer you got is 20. That is, you have 20 beads with you now. So, 25 minus 5 means it is 20. So, this is the one method of subtraction. Yes, for bigger numbers, we have to arrange them in horizontal or vertical arrangement, and then we have to subtract. So, we have done the same method for addition also. For adding the numbers, we have arranged the numbers in horizontal or vertical arrangement, and then we have added. In the similar way, while doing subtraction also, we have to arrange the numbers in horizontal or vertical arrangements, and then we have to subtract. So, let us learn it. So, arrange horizontally and subtract. So, children, here I have written the numbers in the horizontal arrangement. So, you know that horizontal means you have to arrange them in the sleeping manner. That is, the numbers are written in this way. This is called the horizontal arrangement. So, the first one we have here is 468 minus 314. 468 minus 314. So, these are 3-digit numbers. So, let us first learn how to subtract the 3-digit numbers. So, here, look at the numbers. So, you know that you have to subtract in the same way how we have done the addition. That is, from unit to unit, tens to 10 and hundreds to 100. So, let us do it. So, you know that 468 is a bigger number and 314 is a smaller number. So, always remember the bigger number should be written first. That is, from this number we are subtracting. So, that is 468 minus 314 means from 468 we are subtracting 314. Is that clear, children? So, here you know that this is in the units place, tens place, hundreds place, and same way units, tens and hundreds. Yes, children? So, now 8 minus 4. So, in the units place, bigger number 8 we have, and here we have 4. So, subtract 4 from 8. So, 8 minus 4. For that you can count backwards. After 4 comes 5, 6, 7, 8. So you have to add 4 to 4 to get the number 8. So 8 minus 4 is 4. Okay. So 8 minus 4 is 4. So we are writing in the units place. Now let us move on to the tens place. In the tens place, we have here 6 and here 1. So 6 minus 1, that is 1 you are taking out from 6. So the answer will be 5. Next, in hundreds place, 4 minus 3. 4 minus 3. So after 3 comes 4. So it is 1. 4 minus 3 is 1. So that is how we got the answer. 468 minus 314 is equal to 154. Is that clear, children? Yes. In the similar way, we are doing the next sum here, that is 963 minus 821. So for that you have to subtract first the units place. 3 minus 1. 3 minus 1, that is after 1 you get 2, 3. So the answer is 2. And in the tens place, 6 minus 2. So you can count backwards, that is 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yes, that is 4. And 9 minus 8, that is 1. So you can do 8 plus 1 is 9. Forward also you can do, or backward. 9 minus 1 is 8. So answer is 142. In the similar way, 654 minus 333. So here 4 minus 3 is 1. 5 minus 3 is 2. And 6 minus 3 is 3. So that is how we got the answer 321. Look at the next sum. 784 minus 642. So 4 minus 2 is 2. 8 minus 4 is how much? 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That is 4. And 7 minus 6. How much you have to add to 6 to get 7? That is 1. So the answer is 142. So children, this is how we are arranging horizontally and subtracting. Okay children. Now move on to the next method, that is arrange vertically and subtract. We have to arrange the numbers in the vertical arrangement and then we have to subtract. Here also we have the 3-digit numbers. So let us first learn the 3-digit numbers, then move on to the next numbers. So here the question is 789 minus 287. So let us write the number 789 minus, put the minus sign, 287. So this way you have to arrange the number in the vertical arrangement. Now in the units place you have 9 minus 7. So how much you are adding to 7 to get 9? 7 after 7, 8, 9. So you are adding 2. Okay. So 9 minus 7 is 2. Next 8 minus 8. What is the answer, children? You have 8 chocolates with you, but you finish eating all 8. So how many are left now? 0. So always 8 minus 8 is 0. That is, any number subtracted from the same number is always 0. Next, 7 minus 2. So how much you have to add to get 7? So after 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So you are adding 5. So 5, 7 minus 2 is 5. Okay, children. And there is a method to cross check whether your answer is correct or not. In subtraction, what you can do is 2 plus 7. See, add the answer to this number, then you should get this answer. 2 plus 7 is 9. 0 plus 8 is 8. 5 plus 2 is 7. So if you add these two numbers, if you are getting this number, then your answer is correct. In this way, you can cross check your subtraction sum also. Okay, children? Yes. Now, next, 568 minus 136. So, let us write the number. 568 minus 136. So, here 8 minus 6 is 2. 2 plus 6 plus 2 is 8. 6 minus 3. After 3, 4, 5, 6. So, you have to add 3. 5 minus 1 is 2, 3, 4, 5. So, it is 4. So, 432 is the answer. Next, 586 minus 423. So, children, in this 586 minus 423. So, 6 minus 3 is 3, right? After 3, 4, 5, 6, 3. 8 minus 2. After 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That is 6. 5 minus 4 is 1. So, this way we are subtracting 3-digit numbers. Next, 500 minus 365. 500 minus 365. Now, look at this sum, children. So, here in the units place you have 0, and here in this units place you have 5. Now tell me, if you have 0 chocolates with you, can you take 5 out of it? Yes, in your pocket there are no chocolates, 0 chocolates. So can you take 5 out of it? No. So that means from 0 you cannot subtract 5. For this type of sum, you are using the method borrowing method. So if the sum is like this, you have to go to the next place, that is tens place. So in the tens place also you have 0. So you have to move on to the hundreds place. So in hundreds place you have 5. So you take 100 from here. So this became 4. So here it became 10. Okay. So from this 10, again you are taking 1 10 here. So this became 9 and here it became 10. So are you following, children? So this is how we are borrowing. So 10 minus 5 is 5. Now you can subtract. 9 minus 6 is 3. 4 minus 3 is 1. So this is how we are subtracting the sum by borrowing. Now let us solve the word problems based on subtraction. So listen to the word problem. Rajni buys a uniform worth rupees 382 and a school bag worth rupees 250. How much more does she spend on the uniform than on the bag? So children, here Rajni buys a uniform. The cost of uniform is 382 and she also buys a school bag and the cost of school bag is 250. So we want to know how much more does she spend on uniform than on the bag. So now compare these two numbers. The cost of uniform is 382 and the bag costs 250. So which is costing more, uniform or bag? That is uniform. So we have to write the cost of uniform here, 382, and that is cost of uniform, and cost of the bag is 250. Now if you subtract this from this, we will get the answer. That is, what is the extra money she paid for the uniform than the bag? So let us subtract. 2 minus 0 is 0 and 2 minus 0 is 0. 8 minus 5 is 3 and 3 minus 2 is 1. So we got the answer 130. So Rajni paid rupees 130 more for the uniform. Okay, so how much more she paid? She paid 130 rupees more. So she paid rupees 130 more to the uniform than the bag. Is that clear? Okay. Now next look at one more word problem. So there are 956 mangoes in a basket. Out of that, 584 mangoes are sold out. How many are left in the basket? So here also we have to take the bigger number here, 956. That is total number of mangoes. Total number of mangoes. Now 584 mangoes are sold out. So number of mangoes sold out is 584. Now if you subtract these numbers, you will get the answer. That is the mangoes left in the basket. So 6 minus 4 is 2. 5 minus 8. So can we subtract 8 from 5, children? No. For that what you have to do? You have to borrow from hundreds place. So in the hundreds place you have 9. So when you borrow 1, it will become 8 here, and this instead of 5, it will become 15. 10 plus 5, that is 15. Now 15 minus 8 is possible, correct? So 15 minus 8 how much? 8, 9, 10 and plus 5, so that is 7. 15 minus 8 is 7. 8 minus 5 is 6, 7, 8, that is 3. So by subtracting, we are getting the answer 372. That is number of mangoes left in the basket. Number of mangoes left in the basket. So 372 mangoes are left in the basket. So children, in this way we can solve the word problem by writing the statements. Okay, and you have to write the statements and you have to show the method also. So before starting this sum, you read the given sum twice, so you will understand that how to do this sum. So in this way we are solving the word problems. Let us subtract 4 and 5 digit numbers. Okay, now subtraction of 4 and 5 digit numbers. You have to use the same method for subtraction. Only the thing is you have 1 digit extra in 4 digit number and 1 digit extra in 5 digit number. That's all. So first let us study the subtraction by horizontal method. So here 5555 minus 2222. So while subtracting, you have to follow the same method, units place. So you have to subtract by looking at the units place. So units place we have 5. Here you have 2. So 5 minus 2 is 3. And here everywhere you have 5 minus 2 only. So your answer will be 3333. Yes. Now 8946 minus 4325. So in the units place you have 6 here and here you have 5. So 6 minus 5. The answer is 1. 4 minus 2. Answer is 2. 9 minus 3. That is 6. 8 minus 4 is 4. So this way you are subtracting the 4 digit number in the horizontal arrangement. Here the next sum we have the 5 digit numbers. So children, if you are finding it difficult, you can mark this way, unit and unit. 0 minus 0 is 0, then 10. 5 minus 5 in tens place, so it is 0. Then in the hundreds place we have 7 minus 7, that is 0. Then in the thousands place 9 minus 2, the answer is 7. And in 10,000s place we have 1 minus 1, that is 0. So if you follow this method, you will not find it difficult while subtracting in the horizontal method. Yes children. Now look at the next sum here. 9548 minus 537. So this is a 4 digit number and this is a 3-digit number. So while subtracting, you follow the same method, that is 8 minus 7. 8 minus 7 is 1. Next we have 4 minus 3. 4 minus 3 is 1. 5 minus 5 is 0. And here no number in the thousands place, but here you have 9. So 9 minus 0 is 9. So this way we are subtracting on the horizontal method. Now arrange vertically and subtract. So here we have 4-digit numbers and also the 5-digit numbers. Okay. Now here 8,674 minus 3,342. So let us write here 8,674 minus 3,342. So while subtracting, you have to see the units place. 8, this is 4 minus 2 is 2. 7 minus 4 is 3. 6 minus 3 is 3. 8 minus 3 is 5. So here there is no borrowing, direct method. Next, 3,461 minus 2,241. So 1 minus 1 is 0. 6 minus 4 is 2. 4 minus 2 is 2. 3 minus 2 is 1. Yes, children. And in the similar way, 6,007 minus 2,345. Now, this is in the units, tens, hundreds and thousands place. Yes, children. So here 7 minus 5 is 3. 0 minus 4, is it possible? No. So you are going to the next, that is thousands place, but here also you have 0. So you are going to the next place, that is thousands place, and bring 1 from here. So this becomes 5 and this becomes 10. And take 1 from here. So this is becoming 9 and this becomes 10. So 10 minus 4 is possible now. Okay. So it is 10 minus 4 is 6 and 9 minus 3 is 6 and 5 minus 2 is 3. So this is how we are subtracting 4 digits. Now let us move on to the next sum. It is a 5-digit number. So how we have done the 4-digit number? In the similar way, we have to do the 5-digit number. So here we have units, tens, hundreds and thousand and 10,000s place. So here 7,000, 78,020 minus 25,432. So here children, the 0 minus 2 is not possible. So we are taking 1 from here. So this 2 became 1 and 0 became 10. So we are borrowing 1 from here. So 10 minus 2 is 8. Again 1 minus 3 is not possible. So you are borrowing from here, but there is no number here in hundreds place. We are moving on to the next. 8 minus 1 is 7. We are bringing 1 here. So this became 10. So from here we are borrowing 1 from here. So this became 11. 11 minus 3 is how much? 8. 8, 9, 10, 11. Okay. Next we have 9 minus 4 is 5. 7 minus 5 is 2. And 7 minus 2 is 5. So in this way, children, we are subtracting the numbers, 4-digit and also 5-digit numbers. So is that clear, children? So here it is, 10 minus 2 is 8, 11 minus 3 is 8, 9 minus 4 is 5, 7 minus 5 is 2, 7 minus 2 is 5. This is the borrowing method. Thank you, children.